Hello guys, today we have a Jaguar E-PACE, F-PACE, both are same. Today I'm going to show you how to reset service light model 2020. First thing, ignition on. Do not press brake, just only ignition on. Now second thing you should do, open hood, because you need to open the hood for the service reset. Like this, open. As you can see message of open hood. Now you need to open driver side door also. Open the door. Okay, door is open and service reset is going on. Now we have open door and hood open. Now you're gonna do press gas and brake pedal both together, 1 2 3, like for 10-20 seconds. You're gonna see a message of service resetting, something like that. Press and hold brake and raise accelerator pedals both. Reset, as you can see, reset मन funzione. You need to hold. Okay, done. As you can see, it's in Italian, but you can see service reset done. Now you can release your brake and accelerator pedal. Service is done. If you want to check, I'm going to show you how to check if service is done or not. This button, go down. Okay, down. As you can see, information on vehicle. Press OK, go down. Next service. If is there any service remains? No, gone. As you can see, 2 services are next, but oil service is gone. Done. Thank you. Subscribe.